We're dealing with the eye, which is such a sacred place, and people have a lot of fear behind that. I have trouble opening my eyes underwater, so when I first got it, I was nervous too.
Hi, my name's Taylor, and today I'm getting a dry eye treatment. I had some issues with my eyes. Within the past year, I had this weird, stringy mucus that was so gross. And I would show my coworkers, and they'd be like, ew, don't show me that. And then I would like tell my mom, and she's like, go to the eye doctor. And my eye doctor, she was just like, oh, it's probably allergies, but I feel like it's happened throughout the year, so probably not. Having dry eyes affects my day-to-day life because I'm driving a lot, I like to read, I write. Although I take eye drops and I know there's prescriptions to help you fix this problem, I am looking forward to finding a natural solve.
My name is Kari Jansen. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner, an herbalist, and massage therapist in LA. And I have my own herbal body care line called Poppy and Someday. I offer the netra basti, which is the ghee in the eye therapy, using wheat flour and water. I went to college for health, fitness, and nutrition. I studied at the Ayurvedic Institute of America. Then I went to India. A group of us went over in a small little village, and we were there a month studying panchakarma, which is the cleansing technique of India. And that was like a big eye-opener of learning the basics, and that's where I learned the netra basti. Hi.
Nice
Lovely to meet you.
Just get it over with. My eyes are already feeling like weird, anticipating.
Okay, so get on the table.
Okay. Can I give you these?
Yes.
I have a problem with interacting with things that are messy. I'm really nervous about this whole process. I'm the type of person that if anything gets on me that I don't know what it is, I immediately need it off of me.
First, I massage their scalp and around their eyes. That helps relax them. A basti is the word for container, so I make a dough dam. Then I warm up the ghee. If it's too cold, it's going to cause more anxiety, but if the temperature of the oil is perfect, then it creates a safe place. Then I have them gently blink and open their eyes through the golden light. Then they could look in all 4 directions. When the temperature starts to get cooler, then I pour the ghee out. How do you feel?
I feel good, I feel clear, I feel moisturized. After the treatment was over, I initially felt like, I can't believe I did that. It kind of felt very uncomfortable when she told me to open my eyes because it's weird. Having oil surrounding your eyes, I saw pictures that were like 2 eyes at the same time, which I definitely would not have been able to handle. So I was happy that she kind of gave attention to one eye at a time.
Before Taylor came in, her eyes had a lot of red in them and they look really dried, and I could see some mucus in the corners. Afterwards, they were so clear. The red was lessened in her eyes, her pupils were clear.
Kari brings a lot of honor to this Ayurvedic tradition. She brought it from India, but treats it with a lot of respect and gratitude with her practice in California.
I believe in Ayurveda because it's helped me. Every time I go to visit India, they're always super surprised, like, whoa, you're into this? I like to go over there to get inspired and learn exactly their techniques and how they do it so I could bring it over here and incorporate it to the Western world. If you have dry, itchy eyes, I recommend castor oil. Put it in the corner of your eyes before you go to bed, and then shut your eyes and blink a couple times and allow the oil to soothe your eyes.
It's been about a week since I saw Kari. Right after treatment, my eyes felt super hydrated, super loved upon, and now they kind of feel like they want that treatment every week. but you're not allowed to do it every week. You have to do it every 3 months. So I think I'm gonna definitely use castor oil in between treatments to make sure my eyes still feel rejuvenated.
Thank you so much for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here. Thank you.